Good afternoon and welcome back everyone to some more new video. We are cruising up the 405 and there's a red-handed caught 'em up carpool lane jumper. Put your phone down and don't cross the line. Fuck you. Got you on camera. Got you on camera. Fuck you. Use your head. Fuck you. Put your phone down. Use your head. Crazy bitch. That's those quality ass YouTube content. Gotta love it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Sab Crazy. We'll cut this clip here and we'll start it back up again. Thanks for watching.